Forgotten username recovery failed on EveryDollar Plus Fix. If you've tried recovering your EveryDollar Plus username and nothing works, most people make the mistake of skipping verification or using an outdated email. The surprising truth is that you can regain access quickly if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the EveryDollar Plus app or website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. EveryDollar Plus will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and repeated requests within a short period can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact EveryDollar Plus support directly with this information. Details about recent budgets, payments, or linked accounts can help speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once your username is restored, save it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication is highly recommended to prevent future login issues and keep your financial information safe. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your EveryDollar Plus account efficiently, keeping your budgeting and financial planning uninterrupted. Proper verification and credential management are key to smooth, secure access.